This is Gerald Vaughn here with Timberline Inspections, performing a sewer scope at 16101 Southwest Baler Way in Sherwood, Oregon. Right now we are right at about 63 feet out of the line, coming from the 3-inch ABS cleanout located just in front of the home, looking into the city sewer main right now. And I'm going to go ahead and start pulling the line back here. So right now we're in a PVC piping material. This section of the line is going to be under the street. Now you can see we've transitioned, after about 30 feet into ABS piping material here. This is typically the section that's under the yard on the homeowner's own side of it. A little bit of buildup there on the bottom of that pipe, definitely nothing to be worried about there. A little bit more buildup here, but everything still seems to flow pretty well through there. Nothing common in some of those bends and turns to have some minor buildups getting caught up in there. Okay. And coming out of the clean out here. So clean out is right here. Front door is just right here around the corner. So slope appears good throughout the line. All joints appear to be well aligned. No signs of any kind of breakage, separation, blockages, or root intrusions. So no repairs recommended at the time of inspection.